Hello, model railroad fans. Kind of my standard opening. Thought I'd be on camera here for a few words. You're going to see a JMRI script program running a train back and forth. And what's interesting is the script is created by Grok AI. And some of you may be wondering, why am I doing JMRI scripting and why am I using Grok? Well, I'm kind of a geek. I spent a lot of years in IT, starting programming IBM mainframes with assembler and punch cards. And then years later, before I retired, I was doing decision support software with object-oriented software. So yeah, I'm still interested in technology. My son works for Oracle, and he was telling me about the AI program's ability to create code for you. And he uses it in his job to create SQL script. And so I thought, well, I should try that. You know, I'm not too old to learn. So I started messing around with Grok, and I showed you a previous video showing how it would change my turnouts. And I've also been working on a 2 locomotive running video, but I decided I needed to control the locomotives with other than timing. I don't have my sensors installed on this layout, so just using timing doesn't work very well. So I got the idea of just prompting to continue running the train or not, so that way I can stop it. And then I also decided to insert a loop, so it would then ask me if I wanted to run the script again, so that I can run the train back and forth. And so anyway, you're going to see this video where I kind of describe how that works. I've used JMRI script in the past to create a video with 4 trains running at the same time, and that script took me hours, days, weeks to get running. And I think with Grok I could do a similar thing in just a matter of a few days at the most. So yeah, it's just part of my history to use computers, and using them with model railroading adds another dimension for me. You've seen my previous videos over the summer up in New Hampshire, where I have a large layout where I do scenery and just running trains back and forth. Been in this hobby since 2017, and just learning a lot of different aspects of the hobby, and enjoy talking to you guys through the comments. So here's my video. Thanks for watching. Anyway, this is the English script I gave Grok. It says create a script to do the following: turn on the track power, select the Loco, press F9 to start it, wait 8 seconds, prompt for the direction, forward or backwards, set speed step to 8, prompt for an input box and ask if the Loco should continue running. If no, then stop. If yes, re-ask the question until the answer is no. Then prompt to run the script again. If the answer is no, turn off the track power, you're done. So I copied this into Grok, and he created the script for me. So this is the Grok, and it took him a couple of tries to get this right, but in the end he got it working pretty good. So in the next part of the video I'll show you that, but what I want to show you here is this is where you paste in the Grok script. Oops. And it's in the Panel Pro scripting, and then as it runs, it outputs messages. Grok is real good about telling you what it's doing. So here it says track power's on, F9 is activated, direction to forward, speed step 8, Loco stop, throttle release, display rerun prompt. Rerun response is yes, restarting script, and it goes through the whole thing until I tell it no, don't do that. So yeah, that's pretty impressive. I think, I don't know if it's 3 years ago, I spent a lot of hours trying to program my locomotives in script and run multiple locomotives at the same time. So anyway, you're going to see how it runs in the next part of the video. I'm going to run it again for you guys. You can see it. I'm going to say go forward, hit enter, goes the locomotive. And over here it's saying, should it continue running? Let it run for a little bit. I'm going to say no to stop it. Okay, so it stopped. And then here comes the script again, saying, should it run the script again? I'll say yes, hit enter. And here comes, okay, it's saying you want to go forward or backwards. Let's go backwards. And now it's going backwards. And it says now, do you want to continue running? I'll say no. Stopped. Run the script again. I'll say no. Hit enter. And he's done. Thanks for watching.